most of this is just cosmetic, so don't worry about it. Nothing's going to affect the performance.
She would prefer that it was bigger, though. And guys, welcome back to Top of the Deck. You got your boy Ace of Bats here. I'm actually repping my boy Nightwing, who's actually behind the driver's seat with his girl Siri, or Oracle. I'm not really sure who's in the driver's seat over here. It sounds like Siri, but she's acting like Oracle. A little bit of both. Both of them are know-it-alls. You've read the comics, you know how that works. Anyway, we seem to be on ice planet Hoth for some reason or another. Or is that Sweden? I can't really tell which. I kind of feel like it's the same place, same healthcare plan. You get the same amount of large-scale predators and things that probably smell bad on the outside. Now, moving on now, we are actually playing a little bit of Dirt 4, which has a distinct lack of dirt, as you can see now, and it's actually considerably more snow, at least on this particular level here. In the Netherlands or Canada, I've never been anywhere cold before. I do live in Colorado. Does it get cold? Yeah. Does it get this cold? Not so much. We don't get all that much snow. 300 days of sunshine. Please don't move here for any reason. I'm sick of the traffic. Speaking of traffic, we are not running into much of it over here, except for this really menacing white triangle you'll see on the left-hand side of the screen. It's going up this bar, and we're trying to chase it down, as are all these people that are hanging out on this side of the tracks over here. We decided against running them over, went this direction over here, and have gotten slightly derailed off our mission. Again, Hoth, not a safe planet, lots of wampas, lots of tauntauns around here too. Didn't have to cut anything open to make it over the night. We just seem to be speeding along over here like we wrangle an AT-AT sun. What do you know about that? I don't know much about that, but you probably know a little something about that. And here we go around more degree turns. I'm actually trying to measure these things out with a protractor here, and it's just not working. I can't tell it's 5 degrees, 6 degrees, 4 degrees. It doesn't seem to work in an active video game. But what I do know is that you add all these degrees up together, we've been around in a circle about 47 times. Go ahead, check the video again. We've been around this 47 times, still haven't gotten anywhere else except for a little closer to the finish line, and we've been doing this all in about 5th gear. Getting pretty close to 6th gear over here. I'm actually pretty impressed on Snow, especially with a solid 90-degree power slide turn right there. That was pretty lit, and then we are up over the bumps, up and down over the bumps. I love the way that the GPS tracks the bumps here, and I love the way that Michael Bay actually predicted that this is how race driving works. It bothers me because I'm certain that there are no fact checkers in his movies whatsoever. Otherwise, we probably wouldn't have nearly as much Megan Fox in Michael Bay Productions either, but we're not going to discuss that. What we are going to discuss is all the snow over here is driving me insane, and we're pretty much all over the road. Again, it's snowy, it's wintertime, and it's Canada, in a place where the laws of physics don't apply. Or Sweden, I can't really tell which. I'm pretty sure laws of physics don't apply for either of them, except for the laws of Puma, which I'm certain was actually advertised just a second ago. Not really sure what Puma has to do with racing, but hey, your advertisement money is your advertisement money. Anyway, we're coming up to the last parts of the race over here, just holding steady to the track, hugging the track, and we're just doing great with this over here. Last set of bumps, one last little not so hairpin turn over here, easy turn into it, pretty much a straightaway the whole rest of the way over here. Little speed loss over here, but I don't think that other white little triangle is going to catch up with us. All orange all day, coming up to the finish line. It is so close. What are we going to do? 2 split turns. We only have one shot at this. 1 turn, 2 turn S curves, and here we go across the line. Solid 3 minutes at 19.152 seconds, and that is Ace of Bats for Nightwing. He'll be back next week with some more video game commentary, and we're going to work on some more deck profiles. See you then.